This is the Suds Lab foam cannon. It's about $30. Will it work better than the foam cannon that comes with your pressure washer? We're going to find out. And for this little experiment, we're going to use the Chemical Guys wash and wax. You're supposed to use 1 ounce per 5 gallons. So just a tiny amount of that will go in this bottle, and then we'll fill the rest of it with water. We're going to try out these different settings, and we'll see how it works. All right, we've got it all loaded up and ready to go. So I've got it set on 5. It's got a little dial here that you can turn around. Let's see what 5 does. All right, so in just that short amount of time, you can see how much we used of that, and that's on the 5 setting. So now we're going to go to the other extreme and put it on the 0 setting. Let's see how that does. So you can notice there that with 0, it seems like it's all water. So 5 is probably where I would keep it. You're going to get the most soap. If you kind of want to blend, we'd probably put it on 3. So let's try 3 and see how that goes. All right, so to do this truck on the 5 setting, it took 2 bottles. So I would say if you want to save on this stuff, you probably want to set it on a 3. You can probably get through 1 vehicle with 1 bottle of this. So does the Suds Lab foam cannon work? I say it does. If you want the best mix of water to soap ratio, I'd say put it on a 3. It's going to last a little longer. It's definitely worth the $30, and it is better than, I would say, most foam cannons that come with your pressure washers. All right, if you like the video, give it a like. If you really like it, give it a sub. If you don't. And we'll see you in the next video.